You see, you can divide women into two main groups. Those that are genuinely attracted to you and those that aren't. Here's where it starts getting a little hazy. Here's where it gets a little fuzzy though. See, that group of girls that isn't attracted to you is attracted to the attention that you give her. They just feed off of that free attention, and what they do is that they trick you into simping over her. Today, I'm gonna show you the most sneakiest ways a girl will trick you. That way, my guys, you can stay vigilant. Let's hop into it. Number one, they will dress seductively. Women love attention. Do not fall for this, boys. If she is posting half naked on social media or going out half naked all the time, do not think for a second that she's doing this for herself. This is 100% to get eyeballs and attention from dudes to fuel her ego. It's a trap. It's almost the same reason why girls join Tinder. It is validation. They love seeing how many swipe rights they can get. So don't give her the attention. Don't drool. Don't stare. This is not gonna get her to like you. Matter of fact, she's just gonna put you in the friend zone like the rest of them so you can fuel her needs of attention. Number two, I call it pay no play. Do you wanna know if she's just using you? I got a simple question for you. Do you pay for anything at all, and get no play, get no action? At best, she might lightly touch your arm just to let you think that she's flirting with you, but you get no first base, no second base, no third base. Matter of fact, you're not even given a chance to go up at bat. She's making you pay and giving you no play. Matter of fact, this girl sees you as just a friend and will only come around when she's bored or needs attention. My guy, I want you to save yourself those 2 trips to Chili's for a 2 for $20 meal and instead, invest in yourself. Find something that actually fuels you, makes you feel good, and actually gives you something in return. This is why I tell you, instead of spending $50 in a day, you should have spent $50 in Jade Black. Jade Black gives you a guarantee that I'm giving you quality that actually makes you look good. And here's the difference. With Jade Black, you might actually end up getting places. You look so good, you're gonna get real attention from girls that actually are interested in you. My guy, just look at the new modernist that we just dropped. Tell me these are not the nicest frames you've ever seen. See, everything that I design with Jade Black, I design with one intent: to make sure my guys look good. Well, we recently dropped our new collection, and these right here are modernists. I would probably say they're our bestseller to date, and I mean, it speaks for itself. Look at the attention to detail. These are the type of frames that will set you apart. Not only do we hand make everything with Italian acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses. Every aspect of this glass has meticulous attention to detail. Even the stamped logo at the bottom, like everything about this glass screams luxury, but it starts at $49. See, everything that we design them in the same factories that designer brands do. This is why if you look at our 5,000 plus 5-star reviews, they all say the same thing. Our frames feel just as good as designer, but they're 1/5 of the price, because I'm not here to price gauge you. Matter of fact, I'm here to give you something that actually will make you look good. Something that's gonna last you years, and it's gonna get you attention from the girls that actually are interested in you. My guy, if you want a pair of frames, especially for summer, you gotta look no further. Click the link down below, check out Jade Black, and if you don't know which pair to buy, I got you covered too. We got a free quiz. It's simple. It takes about 30 seconds to complete, and we're gonna suggest which frames you should buy for your face shape to make sure you look as good as possible. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. Number 3, they'll cancel a date last minute. See, this should be an immediate red flag to you that she does not respect your time. See, if a girl really likes you, especially after you guys already hung out, she's gonna move mountains. She's gonna cancel any plans she has to make sure she meets up with you. But if she really doesn't like you, if she's just manipulating you, she knows that canceling plans on you last minute will make you obsessive. See, us as guys, we love what we cannot have. We see it as a challenge. So the more no's we get, the more rescheduling we get, the harder this girl seems to attain, and we try even harder to attain her. We become obsessive. She knows this, and she uses it to manipulate you. Number 4, she tells you you're the only one. My guy, if you believe that lie for a second, she already has an upper hand on you. You need to operate as if she has 100 dudes hitting her up in her DMs, because she probably does. If she's a beautiful girl, you better believe she has over 100 dudes in her DMs. Another thing you need to understand is that women are naturally hypergamous, just like we are. See, We're opportunists. We're always looking for something better. This is just natural human tendency. This is exactly why constant self-development in every aspect of your life is so important. This makes sure that you're constantly better than you were the day before, and it also keeps your options open. This is why I tell you, don't just cling to one girl. Don't just talk to one girl. Once you put all your eggs in the basket of just one girl's attention, that's when they know they have power over you and they're gonna wield it over you. If you're not boyfriend and girlfriend, if you're not exclusive, if she's not giving you that exclusivity, you should not just be talking to one girl. Which takes us on to number 5. She's gonna tell you about every dude she slept with. This one's manipulative. See, a lot of girls will use this as subtle manipulation and guys don't even see it. Like, for example, they'll be like, oh, honey, you won't believe who just slid into my DMs. And then you, being dumb, you fall for him. You're gonna be like, who, babe? She'll be like, Tommy, ew, can you believe that? See, she's gonna act like she doesn't like it, like it's icky, but she's subtly throwing it in your face, just letting you know that if she could, she would leave, and that instantly makes you jealous. Now she's controlling you. My guy, that should not even faze you. In fact, you should act as if that didn't even mean anything to you. See, if a girl actually ends up taking action to any of the other guys giving her attention, you should, matter of fact, go and drive her and drop her off. That other guy did you a favor, knowing that this girl was not loyal, and you should act that way in front of her. The fact that you wouldn't even bat an eye if you lost her will turn that manipulation she's using back on her, and it's gonna drive her insane. She's gonna think you either don't care about her or you just got girls like that, and either way, now she's jealous. So next time she tells you like, oh yeah, that's Max, we used to sleep, but we don't sleep anymore. Yo, unfazed, keep it moving. That's the type of mentality you need. Boys, that's it for me today. Those are 5 sneaky tricks women will use to get you to simp, but I don't want you to simp. I got you covered. If you keep on the lookout for all these, boys, you're going to be a stud 100%. That's it for me today. See you next time.